Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful mint condition 2010 Toyota Highlander SE two-wheel drive. Beautiful Highlander here. I love these vehicles. They're one of the most reliable SUVs on the market, and they also are just really well styled, come with great power, great reliability. So it comes with the 3.5 V6, and it's just absolutely stunning under here. This is a one-owner vehicle, and what more can I say that's great about the Highlander and just how Toyota has progressed over the years. They've just become more and more reliable. Their style refinements, everything is just on par with being a great car company, and that's why we love Toyota. So this one comes with clean and clear headlights, also has fog lights, alloy wheels, retains four-wheel disc brakes, has nice clean body on the outside, not too many imperfections there. And then it has a beautiful leather interior, and it still smells like new inside, which is amazing. And that's normally what you get with one-owner vehicles. The dashboard is nice and clean. It comes with a rear backup camera, CD player, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio, dual climate controls, dual heated seats, auxiliary port, charging port, dual cup holders, snow mode, additional charging port, additional cup holders, and a nice spacious center console armrest storage compartment. We also have keyless entry, and that also is for the rear, the trunk hatch there. And then we have our mirror for the back passengers. We also have home link, and then we have our interior illuminated map lights. Also have working sunroof sliding, and then we have the sliding vanity mirrors with the lights as well too. So it comes with the original owner's manual. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seat, and sunroof. Have factory floor mats throughout. We have rear AC and rear AC controls. We have the little table that they store in there that you can bring out. And then the seats fold down here. And then you also get a third row seat in the back there that folds up. That's like brand new. No one's ever even sat in that seat. So nice clean headliner. The AC goes to the back third row as well in the roof of the car, which is another excellent feature, so everybody can stay cool back there. And then we have these nifty handles here to fold down the seats without having to use two people to fold down the seats or inconvenience yourself in walking around to the front. So we have cup holders back here. We also have a bunch of hooks for stow, and then you can see the AC vents up there, and then we have additional charging port. We have this stain here on the Highlander floor mat. That's really the only bit of ugliness for the interior, but we have our tools and spare tire. Plenty of storage compartments down there. Get this folded in right. Then we have that keyless smart entry there. But smoke and pet free, tinted windows. And we have power lumbar support for the driver's seat. So inside we have our water spray temperature, the interior illumination, side view mirrors, power windows locks, and then a multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel. So that includes stereo controls, AC temperature, and then your cruise control located down below. And then we get automatic headlights, daytime running lights, fog lights, combination switch for interval front and rear wipers. 108,000 original one-owner miles. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly. No warning lights on the dash. AC's ice cold. A rear backup camera. Stereo sounds beautiful. This car is turnkey, ready to go. Do not let this one slip past you, because it's not often you get a like brand new vehicle, 11 years old. You can find it here with this beautiful, reliable, and great looking Toyota Highlander. You can find this beautiful 2010 Highlander SE two-wheel drive exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.